The startup disk is the hard drive upon which the operating system, your applications, and home folders are installed. For most users, it's named Macintosh HD. The system notifies the user when the hard drive is almost full with this message. Don't ignore it, because if your startup disk is full, you may experience issues with software applications running incorrectly or crashing, and a remarkable slowing down of the system. There are several steps you can take to make sure you free up sufficient space. Generally, to keep your Mac performance high, it's recommended to maintain at least 15% of your hard disk free. The first thing you should do is to empty the trash. Users who rarely empty their trash can have gigabytes of useless clutter taking up their valuable disk space. Make sure the items in the trash are not needed, and then proceed. Another thing you can do is to clean up the download folder and the desktop. There might be old files that you don't need anymore. The same thing should be done with the movie folder. Lots of apps write to this folder, and there could be numerous files that you simply don't need. Even after you take these steps, it probably won't be enough. The most space is usually taken by the thousands of useless duplicates in your computer which have to be eliminated. The application I use for this purpose is TidyUp. It's the most complete and feature-filled duplicate finder available today, and it's also easy to use. You can check out the full review by clicking on the link below. After you delete all the duplicates, you may want to gain additional space. TidyUp offers a range of different searches that help you quickly find useless items such as old cache files, old log files, old preference files, empty files in folders, and many others by using the advanced mode. These files may not occupy a large space, but they still contribute to the slowing down of the computer. If you want to free up additional space, you can search for large items and delete or move them to an external hard drive. For this task, I still use TidyUp. In the advanced mode, it is possible to search for files of a specific kind that are greater than a chosen size. This way, you can analyze all the large files in your computer and decide what you want to do with them. TidyUp even allows you to burn a CD with those items. Doing so will allow you to store files that you seldom use without the need of buying a new hard disk. I hope that you found this helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my website at www.speedyourmacup.com.